With send time optimization, you can take all the guesswork out of when your customers are most likely to engage with your emails. By turning on this feature, WCA will deliver your emails at the exact time of the day and day of the week that your contacts are most likely to be checking their email, based on their individual behavior history with your mailings. Send time optimization ensures your mailings are at the top of the inbox at the right time, increasing your deliverability and engagement metrics, as well as improving your brand's visibility for your customer base. To activate send time optimization, navigate to your database and click Settings. Scroll to the bottom of the page on the first tab and click the Send Hour field button. A pop-up will prompt you to create a new database field to capture the send time value for each of your customers. Name this field using your own naming convention and click Add Field. The send time optimization feature has now been activated for this database. You can disable and re-enable the feature using the tick box on this page. Don't forget to click the Save button. Back in your database fields, you will see the new Send Hour field has been added to your database with a default value of 0. The value 0 represents a send immediately command and will be the default value until a contact's behavioral history prompts a new one. For this reason, you must wait at least 24 hours before sending your first send time optimized email. WCA requires this time to allocate a value to your contacts based on the previous 30 days of email activity. The send hour values represent each hour within a week, which allows you to optimize your campaigns over either a 24-hour period or across the span of a full week. Now, when you create a mailing template, you will see Enabled against the Send Time Optimization field in the Contact section of your mailing settings. To use Send Time Optimization on a particular mailing send, click Onto Send and then Delivery Settings. Click Send Time Optimization and select the kind of optimization you require. If you choose 1 week, a contact with the send hour that represents Monday at 7 p.m. is sent the mailing at that exact time. If you choose 24 hours, the same contact is sent the mailing within 24 hours at 7 p.m., regardless of which day of the week that send is scheduled for or deployed. If you are using send time optimization in a program, only the 24-hour send option applies. Send time optimization can be a powerful tool in improving engagement in everyday mailings. It also has a number of specific use cases in which it can be part of a broader solution. For example, if your mailings are sent to a database which contains contacts in multiple time zones, when using send time optimization, your messages are delivered based on the contact's past email activity, resolving the time zone difference issue. Send time optimization tracking is always on, collecting your customer data, which means as your customer's interaction behavior changes over time, the system will note the pattern change and adjust the optimal send time for each customer as required. With send time optimization, finding the optimal send time is a set and forget process. Here is a quick summary of the steps we just took you through for enabling send time optimization. Navigate to your database settings, add the send hour field and check that the tick box next to Enable Send Time Optimization is selected. Wait 24 hours for your send hour data to be populated based on your customer's behavior history. Select Send Time Optimization in the Delivery Details section of your mailing send screen, and choose 24 hours or 1 week for your optimized send. And one last bonus tip: send time optimization can be enabled for multiple databases in your WCA environment.